The roads, I can't tell you, I can't stress enough how dangerous they are. Just coming in this morning, I was already slipping and sliding. We'll have more clouds than sun. So we're looking at 5 o'clock this afternoon, the system coming in to the coast, arriving up and down I-5 shortly after that. You're going to need that snow brush. You're going to need a hat, a jacket with a wind chill. We're at 26 degrees right now. Check out the pic of the day. Now, I took this just about an hour ago outside our studios here in Springfield. These are the NBC-16. These are the KMTR vehicles. And as you can see, they're all covered in snow. Happy Chocolate Mint Day and President's Day, of course. No mail today, so I'm not going to be getting that $1 million check I've been waiting for.
I'm sorry. Maybe tomorrow.
I've been saying maybe tomorrow all my life. Winter weather advisory, one more for you, Bend and surrounding areas. So take a look here. This high pressure system off the coast of California sinks to the south, and what happens next? We get the cold front. This low pressure coming in from Canada and from Alaska. That is what's going to bring us a mess tonight. Looking at a mix of rain and snow, a wintry mix. So tomorrow morning, we could see that snow on the valley floor. We're going to have a cloudy day today, but take a look at this. Here's a shot at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Maybe a few breaks of blue. It's not going to be a beautiful sunny day, but we're going to see a couple of breaks of blue. But then the system comes in. Good morning. Snow's coming down. So far, more than an inch that we've seen, and it's not stopping anytime soon. Radar showing over the past couple of hours that system coming through, so be prepared. And dangerous driving conditions, I'll tell you that. Gale warning in effect till this morning at 7 o'clock. We have a few alerts for you. A hazardous sea warning till tomorrow morning at 10. Winter weather advisory to the north. Here's a shot of our snowman. we just built this little guy a few minutes ago. It was tough to find a couple of eyes and a mouth, so I want to thank Barry, our photographer, for that one. I'll tell you what, it is fantastic packing snow as you get going this morning. All right, let's pull it up. I want to show you another picture here. Pic of the day. Thank you very much, Nancy from Roseburg, showing a ruler in the snow measuring 3 inches, and that might be in Nancy's backyard. Thank you, Nancy, for sending that over, and I'll tell you what, I really appreciate all of the pictures. Best viewers in the Pacific Northwest, you guys. So thanks for sending them over. Really helps us out a lot here. So how long will the snow last? At least through lunchtime. Look at the pass right here. Santiam Pass, Highway 126. Roads are very slippery. Delta Highway came in this morning. You're going to be moving around. Got to slow down. Good distance, not only between you and the vehicle in front of you, on the sides of you as well. A lot of school closings. NBC16.com. You can head to our website. Look at the crawl on the bottom of the screen. Facebook and Twitter as well. Snow will be here throughout the morning. So can't stress it enough. Be safe. 36 the daytime high for Eugene. The coast in Roseburg. We will clear up a little bit this afternoon. We'll call it a partly cloudy day and high temps in the low 40s. What's on tap tomorrow and through the weekend? Rain. So enjoy the snow. And again,
we washed away.
Drive safely. And maybe next week sometime you'll have a dry spot where you can actually go out and clean up your car. And
yeah.
I'm kind of wet right now.
I was about to say, I think you got some snow on you, Greg.
I went outside and I didn't have a jacket on.
Melted off, so.
So very, very frigid temperatures as you make your way out and about. In fact, my car door was frozen this morning. Took me a minute to get in there, and here's a picture of what your vehicle, if parked outside, is probably going to look like. I took this just a little bit ago here at the studios outside. These are the station vehicles. So yeah, you're going to have to brush those things off, scrape them, and turn that heat on and dress very, very warm because we're about 11 degrees colder now than we were yesterday. I'm going to get you into the full forecast. There are some changes on the way, a new system that we're tracking. It's going to kind of mix things up for the weekend. I'll get you into that coming up. Who's going to brush off the vehicles? Management called me and they said, you, Greg. So here I am. All right, listen, the snow is coming down at a pretty good clip right now. I'll tell you what, it's been quite some time since I've seen any snow, 8 years to be specific, and I'll tell you, I love it. And I'll tell you something else. This is snow that is fantastic for packing, for snow making, if you want to make a snowball or something like that, as well as making a snowman. And I'm working on one right now, and I'll have it for you in just a little bit. I want to pull up the numbers for you as we're cold outside. You know, George Washington, we celebrate President's Day today, turning 286. Could you imagine the size of the cake you would need to fit 286
You would think of that. I'm thinking, you know, the history of it, and I'm a big history buff, so I love, you know, learning about the presidents and stuff like that, and you go for the cake.
I love learning about cake size, dimension, how many layers that would be. Could you imagine? It would be as big as this desk, Allie. and I would be the first person to dig in. I'll tell you that.
You would.
Good morning. Waking up to frigid temperatures right now at low 20s up and down I-5, mid and upper 20s for the coast. What a difference 24 hours can make. We have clear skies right now. Yesterday, all that snow coming down. Pretty to look at, but it's all gone now. We do have many alerts for you, okay? Small craft advisory off the coast of Newport. We have a winter storm watch to the north. Clackamas, Cowlitz Lane, Marion counties, very dangerous driving conditions, if not impossible. They're looking at a couple feet of snow over the course of the next 48 hours. Freeze warning for the coast expires this morning. Winter weather advisory. Coos, Douglas, Jackson, Josephine, we're looking at 1 to 3 inches, 3 to 5 at the higher elevations, and a winter storm warning here for Douglas. And this until Saturday afternoon at 4. We're looking at a couple of feet here at elevations at 2,000 and up. And plus, our friends here in Klamath, Lake, Modoc counties, Siskiyou, we have a wind advisory because those breezes come right over the hills. They come your way, and that expires tomorrow night at 10 with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Our newest Skycam 16 shot, very pretty from the South Hills. And again, not a lot of action right now, just the cold temperatures. Futurecast showing a nice clear sky right now. You can see the stars, but come around 1 o'clock this afternoon, you can see a system coming in from the northwest. By 5 o'clock, it bumps into the coast. After that, heads up and down I-5. So we're going to have some late night showers tonight. They're going to carry into the overnight. You're going to wake up with rain tomorrow morning. But then the afternoon, we're going to call it very isolated, very scattered, and another round of rain comes in on Sunday. Next chance for a rain and snow mix. That'll be on Monday. For the seas today, 8 to 9, water temp 50. Sun up 702, drops tonight at 601. Check out the 7-day forecast. We're looking at 45 degrees today for the coast. 46, 45 are the numbers for the weekend.